Hello kids! Today we'll be learning names of fruits from letter V to Z. Greetings! I'm Victoria Plum, named after Queen Victoria herself. I'm a royal in the world of plums with my beautiful reddish-purple skin and golden, juicy flesh. I'm perfect in pies, jams, or straight from the tree. Hello, I'm Velvet Apple, also known as Mabelo. I'm soft and velvety on the outside with a creamy, custard-like texture inside. Some say I taste like a mix of banana and apple, and I'm common in the tropical regions of the Philippines. Hey there, I'm Vanilla Bean, often mistaken for just a spice. But did you know I'm actually the fruit of a special orchid? My sweet and floral aroma makes desserts divine. And I love being in ice creams, cakes, and everything sweet. Hey, I'm Watermelon, the summertime superstar. With my sweet, juicy red flesh and refreshing taste, I'm perfect for picnics and beach days. Don't forget my black seeds. They're great for a friendly seed-spitting contest. Hey there, I'm Wild Strawberry, smaller and more flavorful than my cultivated cousins. You'll often find me hiding in the woods or meadows, offering a burst of sweetness to anyone lucky enough to spot me. Hey there, I'm Walnut Fruit. You may know me more for the nut I hold inside, but before I dry out and crack open, I'm a fleshy fruit. My green outer shell gives way to the walnut you love to snack on, which is packed with healthy fats and nutrients. Hello, I'm Xylocarp, a term for fruits with hard, woody shells, and my most famous representative is the coconut. My tough exterior hides delicious coconut water and creamy flesh that's perfect for everything from drinks to desserts. Hello, I'm xerophyte fruit from the family of plants that thrive in dry, desert climates like cactus fruits. My juicy, often sweet interior is a great surprise after braving my thorny exterior. Try me in prickly pear or dragon fruit for a refreshing, hydrating treat. Hey there, I'm Yuzu, a citrus fruit from East Asia. My bumpy yellow skin might not look appealing, but I'm bursting with intense, tangy flavor. You'll find me in sauces, teas, and even fancy desserts, adding a refreshing zest wherever I go. Hello, I'm Yellow Passion Fruit, known for my vibrant golden skin and sweet, tangy pulp. I'm packed with seeds and flavor, perfect for juices, desserts, and adding a tropical twist to any dish. Hi there, I'm Yangmei, also known as Chinese bayberry or waxberry. My dark red, bumpy exterior hides juicy, sweet tart flesh that's popular in China for making wines, jams, or just eating fresh. Hey there, I'm Zucchini. Though you might think I'm a vegetable, I'm actually a fruit. I'm mild in flavor and super versatile, great in stir-fries, grilled, or even baked into bread. People love me for my healthy, low-calorie vibes. Hello, I'm Ziziphus, but my friends call me Jujube or Chinese date. I'm small, round, and sweet when dried, tasting a bit like a date. You'll find me in many traditional medicines, teas, or as a tasty snack in parts of Asia.